Hey. It says here, Lord, take it away. What do we want to be taken away? Well, a lot of things. Me, maybe pain, self-doubt. What else? Um, I want to be more positive, attract, good, prevent my mouth from saying negative things, regardless whatever that is. Take it away, Lord. Lord, take it away if the opportunity will make me forget you. Proverbs 38 and true. If this job will take me away from worshiping you or being holy or being, a good person, I don't want the job. If this group of friends will prevent me from being a good person, if these friends will be taken away and I will be saved from the sinful practices, take it away, Lord. I don't need opportunity that will take you away from me. True. Lord, take it away if the relationship isn't rooted in you, whatever relationship that is, friendship, neighbors, professional. If they're teaching me to be a bad person, take it away. I don't like that negative environment. Lord, take it away. Lord, take it away if I'll use the platform I have for my glory, not yours. Yes, like this platform, John 3:3. Take it away if I do not use TikTok, Instagram. That will help people realize that you are there for them. Lord, take it away if the desire leads me away from your will. My thoughts, if my thoughts wants me to sin, Lord, take away that devil whispering. Amen. If it costs your peace, your purpose, or your closeness with God, it's okay to ask Him to take it away. Whatever goes away from Him isn't worth keeping. Amen. You know what? Just to add to it, like we should have progress. Our life 5 years ago, our life 10 years ago, should be different now. The people they know 10 years ago, the people they know 5 years ago about you or about me should be different now. It's true we have past mistakes, but it should be different now. Let us ask God to take away all of those negativity. Amen.